guys, welcome back. Let's get right into this video, starting off with our lemon lime lift off in a little bit of hot water. We're going to be doing lemon tea today, or half a teaspoon. A little stir. We're going to use the sour apple, 1/4 teaspoon right in there. The cucumber lime, which is really yummy. Same 1/4 teaspoon right in there. Just give it a nice stir. And that's what that hot water is for, so it can just mix those powders a little quicker. And now we're doing 1 pump of the dragon fruit acai from the skinny syrups. There we go. Just 1 pump. Put it in there. Put in our ice. I'm gonna add some mango aloe. Use the top. We're gonna do 2, and we're gonna add water straight up in there. All the way. There we go. And last but not least, the garnish. Okay. What I have here are slices of orange, and all I did was powder them. I put some of the passion fruit powder and froze it, and that's about it. That's all I did. So I'm gonna go ahead and put one straight in there. I guess I'll put it on straight there on the side. And since it has that powder, it's gonna relieve some of that flavoring in there. So it all depends how many you want to put in there. But I'm gonna go ahead and put one in there and cut one. Just like that, so I could put right there on the end. And that is it. This is our drink for today. I hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys recreate. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Guys, don't forget that the orange that you put as garnish is edible. The whole thing with the peel. So cold. Since it's frozen, really easy just to take a bite off of it, and it has that powder on there. So